Press the weekly timer button to enter the weekly timer setting mode. Press the day button repeatedly to select the desired day. Note, only today or later days this week should be selected. Press once or repeatedly to choose the program. Default is 73 Fahrenheit and can be adjusted. Use plus or minus to set target temperature. Set and confirm start time. The set time refers to the specific hour of the selected day. Set and confirm stop time. It must be later than the start time and will run within the same day. 2 periods can be set on the same day. Each program is independent. Both will take effect if set correctly. The earlier schedule runs first. If overlapping, both take effect. Device runs from earliest start to latest end. During overlap, higher temperature prevails. Press OK to complete. Additional notes: only one day can be scheduled per week. Timer is valid for the current week only. If setting fails, weekly timer icon will light, but function does not activate. Re-enter setting by pressing weekly timer, or power off and reset. The weekly timer can be set in hourly increments, while the local timer allows minute-by-minute adjustment. Weekly timer resets after power off.